welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Alana. I would love for y'all to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you're returning, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be working with one of my favorite companies, LuvMehair. So thank you to LuvMehair for sponsoring today's video. They sent me over this closure wig, so we will be doing a closure wig install in today's video, and this install is going to be 100% glueless. We're not going to be using any harsh glues. If you guys know me, if you guys have watched my past videos, you guys know I'm really not a big fan of the harsh glues. Basically mean like lace glues, like Ghost Bond, all that good stuff. I use them like once in a blue, but for the most part, if I'm gonna do me a glueless install, I would prefer a glueless install, honestly. So here's the wig on. You guys can see I did bleach the knots on this wig, and I did pluck the lace just a little bit, just a tad bit. I think I actually plucked a little too much on the lace up here, but yeah, we ain't gonna get into that. I did bleach the knots in here, and I did pluck this lace as well. I always forget the details of the wig, so all the information will be right here on the screen because I don't remember the inch of this wig. I don't remember the size of the closure, all that. So yeah, it'll be right here on the screen. Also, I'm going to try to achieve a no baby hair look, so we're gonna try to do no baby hairs. And if you guys know me, you guys know I love my baby hairs. This time around, we're gonna try to do no baby hair, so we're gonna see how this works out. Get right into this install. So I want to do some like body wave type of curls with this wig as well. Looking at it, I don't know, I might put some layers in here as well just to give it that nice layered look with my curls, and I will be doing a middle part as well. First things first, I'm gonna go ahead and put some makeup on my lace because I totally forgot to do that, so I just went ahead and put some makeup on my lace. I just used the Maybelline Fit Me powder. I usually use the MAC powder, but I don't have any more, and I've been out of that for months, so yeah, we're just gonna use that. So now we're gonna get started on installing this wig, but first I'm going to cut off my lace because yeah, we don't need this no more. Now we're gonna use some Ebon hairspray. I am going for a middle part, and for some reason I can never get my middle parts in the middle. Try to get this like in the middle as best as I can, but for some reason I can never get my parts in the middle. And I just want to mention, y'all, this hair is so soft. Like after I washed it, it just became like much more soft. I would recommend like doing your parts on the mannequin head, but for some reason I wanted to do it differently today. Usually I do it on the mannequin head because I don't like burning myself, but today I guess we just gonna do it on my head today. Just use my She Is Bomb wax stick, which is the bomb.com.
Anybody do that dance and nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Clothes when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching ching. Inna the Louis V vest. Girl want with his squeeze silicone and real bless. Can a blow breeze for the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless.
Now we're gonna start curling this hair. So I will be using one of my favorite bubble wand curlers. I'm gonna talk about this in a lot of my videos. This is the Kaposi bubble wand curl. It's going to curl this whole wig with this, and we're just gonna get some nice flowy curls, and it's gonna be super cute.
Anybody do that dance, you nasty up, and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, looping. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Clothes when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching. Inna the Louis V vest, girl want with his squeeze silicone and real bless. Can a blow breeze for the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Ease out. Yo, hear me now. Anybody do that dance, you nasty up, and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, looping. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Clothes when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching. Inna the